Morning.
Morning.
From the Grand.
Yes.
We didn't do any videoing yesterday after we checked in because we were a bit tired. Nikki's not feeling the greatest.
No.
Are you driving? Oh, okay. So me and Marley just wandered over to Magic for some food last night. Had a little go on the People Mover, and then we just came back home.
Yeah.
The weather,
And
and for now we're fashionably late as always for our
Yeah, I've got the lurgy. So
mange.
turn left.
I'm not sure it's going to make it into the vlog, but the other day, I don't know if we mentioned the way John had parked. Heaven forbid.
First into a parking space.
Yeah, he reversed into a parking space and he was completely straight. We've got the video footage.
Oh no, it was a little bit of an angle. Smidge of an angle I was on.
You could get in and out fine.
If you got the projector out.
He had this
projector?
left
Tractor.
on the car. Learn to park. You accidentally park like an arsehole. Get the help you need before becoming everyone hates. So I'm gonna keep that.
Souvenir. We made it.
We did.
Thank you. Oh, we're going on the left hand side.
Any refreshment anytime. We're right down that hallway, okay? We're gonna head this way to your table. You can't go anywhere because you're not listening. You don't know what the lady is saying.
There's Daisy. Daisy and Donald. What have we got, people? Are they fans?
No.
You're fans of the characters. Cool. Ready for breakfast then? Yeah. You're wearing your little bracelet from Sasha on the cruise. Yeah.
Is she got me and the other girl a little bracelet from Jamaica.
Yeah.
So that was really cute.
First serving secured. What have you got, Missy? Waffles, grapes.
Yeah, I got Mickey and Simple.
Yeah.
Grape. At all my breakfast potatoes.
Alright, okay. And what have you got over there? Muffin and croissant?
Little chocolate muffin and
Croissant?
seasoned
Seasoned croissant? Right, okay. Hello. Having your photo? Photo? Hello. Disney duck, the best one. Hello. Breakfast was good. Breakfast good. To be fair, these two are not feeling the best. But it was good.
Attention, my
Well,
little update.
Milo
I
update.
ate all my breakfast last night and all of my breakfast this morning. What did I just say then?
It's all my breakfast last
Right,
night and all my breakfast this morning.
I ate all my
My
dinner
type of
last
dog.
night and all my breakfast this morning. Today is World Photography Day. I took part in a photo shoot. Today I took a trip to the vet.
You did.
Yeah. So they could have a look to see what is wrong with my leg. Don't worry, I'm still my same and crazy self. Love my
Yeah, so just so you know why Milo's gone to the vet, his little paw, he's not applying any pressure on it, so he's tucked into the
Has
vet.
he got a cone on his head?
No, he's lifting his paw
Look at
up.
his paw.
Oh, poor me.
My little baby.
I used 3 years swanning off in Disney World.
Look, my little boy.
Don't cry, Mum.
Oh, look at me boy.
That paw's not left the ground.
I'll hop on 3 legs just for you.
We're gonna go and ride at Everest now.
Mummy's got white tears from her face first.
Yeah.
Right. So yeah, I'm surprised he's not going on his headphone. Yeah.
That would have been before.
Oh, would have been before, wouldn't it? Yeah. There's Mr. Kamal's seasoned fries.
Still making the noise?
Would have been? Nope.
We left them on the way.
On the way where? Right, okay. So, back to Tuska's.
Nothing. Right now. Tuscany's is good.
Tusca's was good.
Wrestles alligators.
She does in her spare time.
Yeah.
She swims with crocodiles and alligators when she was a little kid.
And
I know.
used to have snakes in the car she was flying over.
She used to have snakes. She had a pet tarantula.
Yeah. She had a pet crocodile. I said to her
Crocodile.
next
Used to
year
catch rattlesnakes.
Next time we come, she's going to have her own
This-
exhibit. Oh, Kevin.
Kevin! Going over the bridge, so. But yeah, Tuska's is 140 plus tip
Oh, yeah, and
and DVC.
If you're a DVC member, don't bother with breakfast. Do lunch and dinner.
Lunch and dinner Monday to Thursday is 40% off.
Massive.
Every other time it's the normal DVC 10% off. But
Yeah.
yeah, lunch and dinner 40%. You've got a new Jet2 holiday sign.
Go on then.
Nothing beats a Christmas dinner. And right now, you can save up to 40% off with DVC.
That's a cracking saving for a family of 4. Right, so because these two are not well, Nikki's had the bright idea to go on Everest to see if her peg come
I'm
up.
not sure if it's going to be a good idea or a bad idea, but we'll see in about 20 minutes.
Well, if you bring it up, we can then go on the rapids and wash it all
Bringing
away.
it up.
I'm not
It's
going
the-
on any wet rides.
Because you don't want to wash your hair.
Yeah,
I have to wash my hair.
your hair takes too long.
Never noticed that DVC place before.
What's up in the cheeky?
Is it hot? Yeah, wander over to the mountain. And then we'll take it from there. Someone's being nosy in the background. Oh, we got movement. Dun 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 dun. Did it? Everest. I don't think that's a 25-minute queue. Could be wrong. Oh, it says 35. Do it then. This is my island in the sun. Yeah.
And the tower, Sarah.
Get off the bubble. This is the best bit. Hello. Cute. I like the lime one. Rah. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Good what size is it? That's good. Looks a decent size though. So if we didn't have all of our other cups, we could do like a selection of thingy cups. I don't think it'll work that like that, Missy. Or Maleficent Mint. Want any Maleficent? That might work right now. Want to get some Maleficent Mints then? I'm going to ask you something, babe, and I want you to be honest. Did you ask for DVC discount? Did you? Oh, well done, babe.
I've got frozen lemonade. Oh, sweet.
Is it nice? Can I have a bit? Can I have a bit? Can I have a bit? Don't take the red pills, babe.
Never sip.
You go try the red pill. Don't eat it all at once now. Is that good? Is that tasty? It's a mint. Don't think she likes it.
You better.
We do recommend Harambe Market stuff for food.
They are not mint. They are like fire something or other.
Like Maleficent Mint. Harambe Market, good food.
Yeah, I agree.
But not Maleficent Mint,
No, not
apparently.
Maleficent mint. What?
How's your frozen lemonade?
However, frozen lemonade can.
How they recommend? So,
Although they are goofy glaciers in most places.
they are, aren't they? So, Rafiki then? Go and sit on a train for a bit? Who did we miss out last time and you were gutted? Scar. Child always finds a seat. What did you say, dear?
Taking the
What?
taking the mick out of him, and he's not even listening to me. Too busy having a go at Miley for having a seat. Never mind.
What are you mumbling about?
I think it's between me and the camera.
Okay.
You'll have to tune in next week to find out.
Platform 3.
We've just missed the drawing.
We have just missed the drawing. So we've got an hour and 15 minutes to the next one. Good. Cheers, thank you. There's a map of all the national parks. Squirrel, Mr. Squirrel. Oh, you can feel that, can't you?
Well, the yard never came back up yesterday. We were down, yeah.
Oh wow, that long?
Yeah, 5 hours.
As soon as I got into the don't get on the video, John.
Someone might be interested. That's scary now. Maybe see inside this one. Finish coughing. What have you just done?
We've just done animation station.
In mind.
That's not awful. They're all bloody good.
That is cute. Like, look at the eye. Yeah, look at his shaking eye.
Yours are cool. Right, let's all get in the picture. Selfie video.
Look how accurate Mum's is.
There you go. You cute next, Fuzzy.
Yeah.
Oh, oh my god.
The thing is, you probably will.
It's a good job we're not in a zoo in London, isn't it?
Why?
The glass will disappear and he'll come out.
That's what he'll say.
How are you?
So Nikki's done her 14th good deed for the trip. Found another phone.
No, well, you don't want to lose.
No, you don't.
All your memories of it.
Yeah,
And just feel awful if it was one of us.
yeah. So that's the second mobile we found this trip, isn't it? cruise, straight away on the cruise, we found one literally the day that you got on it.
Two more bells, pair of glasses. I feel like there was something the first week.
I feel like there's something as well. Not a
Minerva.
Minerva.
Fun fact, Minnie Mouse's real name is Minerva.
Minerva.
Minerva Mouse, aka Minnie Mouse.
Nice smile.
And what was the first cartoon she was ever in?
Sticky Willy.
Same as Mickey.
What was the first words?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mouse.
Yeah. And what was Mickey's first words?
Hot dog.
Hot diggity dog. So we thought we would buy something different that no one ever buys.
Mr. Kamal's fries.
Want to go, Missy?
We're not playing bride, so I'm happy.
30 seconds later, there's a chip.
It's a fry.
Awful they are, absolutely awful. Never get them again. Pardon?
Get another portion.
Another portion? You weren't even interested in them before.
Oh, things change.
Things change.
Life change.
Do you really want another portion?
She can go.
I can get you another portion if you want another portion.
She would nail another portion.
Me and your mum would help you as well.
I've
Okay.
got a Disney dog.
You got a Disney dog? Oh, Disney dog.
Hello. Hello, how are you?
Right, the chip's over there, mate. Disney dog.
Hello.
I remember when you used to take the mickey out of me for being obsessed with Disney ducks. You used to just as obsessed as I am now.
You're quacker.
Am I quackers? Can do, yeah. It's 3:05.
Not liking the look of this.
3:30. It's on in 25 minutes. So Nikki's plan is to sit here because she thinks it's going to rain. And obviously, we have a ceiling.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. One of the trainers that works here at the show, and as you might have noticed, we have some weather moving through the area. So unfortunately, I am the bearer of bad news. We are not going to be able to do our 3:30 show of Feathered Friends and. You are my sunshine, violin sunshine. You make me up. You'll never know.
Panchos! Is there anything we want before we disembark from the park? Disembark from the park? You think you're good? You good? Okay. So, this is going to be our last visit, Missy.
1 minute.
Because tomorrow's going to be Hollywood. There's so much we didn't do. Oh well. We'll have to come back. We did say we wanted a chilled holiday.
We did. We'll just come back next year. Don't let me give you any money on the cigar as well.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving.
Come on, Miley, sing it.
Fast is off. Oh man. It's like
All hail the Cybertruck. It looks like
No, a brick on wheels that frankly sucks.
that's like it's not even like
no.
It's the
Like-
dumbest thing on
like
wheels.
passes that.
Yeah.
Passes that. Like that guy. He's a he is
Give.
He needs that.
back in Epcot, people. It's open, it's quiet. Yeah. Yeah, let's get a couple of drinks then. And then we'll suck it up and do a test shot.
Yeah, 60 minutes. Probably going to be 17, but oh well.
I think it's actually 65 when I just looked, and Cosmic Rewind was 60.
Oh well, we've not done it, and this is our last time coming here.
But we'll go to the Journey of Water later.
Yeah.
That's a must. Is Mummy getting a mango refresher with lemonade, which Miley will steal because she doesn't like them. And I'll get a large ice water. Oh, the cinnamon. That's plenty of icing on the cinnamon. Cinnamon.
We might have to get one in the Magic Kingdom.
No, we could get a Magic Kingdom.
What?
Apart from a cinnamon. We could get one of those sticky buns.
That's the cinnamon, Dad.
Is that a cinnamon?
Oh, wait.
The sticky bun thing?
You don't have any room to get stuff?
Oh? Oh no, that's a dilemma, isn't it?
I feel like we've done the sticky bun. We've got to get the cinnamon
Okay.
with extra.
Extra.
We've got
Where?
a cronut.
Donut. Oh yeah, I've got a croissant donut.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Oh, these choices.
You want a cinnamon, get one.
It's a good job I've not just had the giant donuts, isn't it?
So we've got a Trente dragon-free refresher with lemonade and ice water.
An ice water. That is absolutely brilliant. The size of that beauty.
The cinnamon!
And
What?
the ice water's free.
The ice water's free.
It's just as big as the map.
Yeah, we should have just come to Starbucks in every park and got ice waters every day. I'm loving that. And they actually said your name right on 2 occasions.
I haven't had a cinnamon roll yet.
Have you not? Oh.
Says bite.
Although I was a little shocked when she said, "Do you want it warm or cold?" And you said cold. You missed an opportunity to have a warm cinnamon bun. Sorry, a warm cinnamon bun. A cinnamon bun.
I just said cold
Because she started it. Cinnamon. I'm good, thanks. Don't know what you're talking about. Smile.
Mine.
Oh, let's go and find Nemo. Oh,
Where are we gonna
Nemo.
find him? In a big
Blue world. Oh, Nemo.
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go.
It's jellyfish!
You're good.
Did you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what I give for a little bite.
Kill the motor, dude. Gorgeous offspring.
Awesome! That's right away!
It's got a big nose, hasn't it?
Got big eyebrows. This is cute. Oh wow, look at that big shark.
Big stuff's down here.
The teeth on them. Look at the teeth on them. Cheese.
Babe, there's a shark eating your head. Honest to God, where did I get you two from? The sea? Soaring done.
Yeah, it's good.
Nemo done. Looked at the fish. And now we're thinking we go to Frozen. Frozen/3 Camareros. Oh, Disney duck! Disney duck! And a Disney. What's that? Is that a rabbit? Run, Forrest, run! Oh, I think they're chasing him off. This is our land.
Should we have a look in here? We've not been in this one.
Oh, you can get the statue.
I love that.
3 caballeros, the 3 caballeros. And this is where we got our first blanket from, babe. Blanket. The 2 caballeros.
This way! The 1, 2, and 3 goes, we're always together.
What's your nicest pavilion? Japan. That your nicest pavilion? What's your nicest pavilion, babe?
I actually like France.
France. So we got France and Japan. I also like Italy as well.
Epcot and Blackbird. This is not very Disney of you, mate.
No,
I mean,
mate, you're eating this gut. Mate, I've not eaten. I'm hungry over here. And you're there pecking away at a Blackbird.
Is the
Oh, yep, he's
plucking it.
he's plucking away.
Looks like mind your business.
Yeah. So you still want a bird, Miley? Are you alright, are you?
I'll have Cocker Spaniel instead.
You have a Cocker Spaniel instead.
Golden one too.
Okay. Right, should we move on, let him finish his tea by himself? So, because it's got a model railway, Germany might be my favourite one.
Really?
Yeah, I like a good model railway. Like it does well to stand up to all the weather. Oh no, say that, and here's one.
No.
Crashed.
Casualty.
Crashed. So much so that the rest of the train's buggered off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Train. Fell over, yeah.
Oh well, let's have a wander around.
There.
See how many. Oh yeah, that one's up there. Oh, could crash. It could crash, couldn't it?
Yeah.
I think Disney have thought.
I don't know, unless someone's actually done that recently, then they won't know. So we could have a bit of a disaster about to happen. Uh-oh. Oh no, crash. Potential crash.
Yeah.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Oh no, he's gonna crash, oh, it belonged to him. He's missing a carriage.
5 centimetres.
That's a good view.
That cloud.
Ignore the dark cloud, pretend you don't exist.
Lovely sunset that's making
Exactly.
it a right beautiful tomorrow.
Exactly. Because there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Tomorrow's just a dream away. So, play it safe. Regal Eagle. How's your fries? Anything special? All right. Okay. It is nice.
Nice fries.
Yeah, they are really nice fries. Oh, they've got a good view up there, haven't they?
Can I go and do the Zen thing?
No, you cannot go and do your Zen thing.
Do my Zen thing?
You've got your own Zen thing now.
Yeah, I just can't open it so back home.
Me Zen'd out at home in your bedroom. Bye, Epcot. Oh, right light. Oh well. So next time we'll do.
Next time, Epcot.
We'll go on your spaceship Earth next time.
We'll be back.
I know what Moana and Test Track.
Yeah.
What else didn't we do?
Frozen.
So, just been to routine. Got to Disney Springs and Mum and Dad have picked up, what did you pick up again?
The butter chicken.
Butter chicken. How is it?
It doesn't taste like butter chicken though.
That's why I won't try it. It doesn't look like butter chicken. It's like butter chicken is the smell.
Also letting it down.
Do you want to with me?
Yeah?
Do you want to bin this then?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
I do. That's how John and Nikki sees it. We're back at eating.
Yeah.
We're eating our food. And it's much better than what protein was. It's a shock. The protein's normally good.
Will you stop calling it whole food?
Food. So first off, I'm just going to point out to you too. When we got to Tuskers about 10:30, you used to want 9:30. You used to want to come home because you were either tired or not well. What time's it now?
20 minutes past 10.
So 13 hours later.
We've not even.
Well, have we done them for the day?
Yeah. It's been another good day. Yeah. But we're all a bit knackered. So, we'll see you tomorrow.
See you next week.
Yeah. Next week for you guys.
Ta-da! Bye.